Once the correctly charged tRNA has been placed in the A site and has rotated into the peptidyl transferase center, peptide bond formation takes place. This reaction is catalyzed by RNA, specifically the 23S rRNA component of the large subunit of ribosome. Early evidence for this came from experiments in which it was shown that a large subunit that had been stripped of its proteins was still able to carry out peptide bond formation. अर्ली एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में ये देखा गया कि लार्ज सब यूनिट जिसकी प्रोटीन सारी रिमूव कर ली जाए, इवन देन ये लार्ज सब यूनिट जो है वो पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन कर सकता है, जिसका मतलब है कि कोई प्रोटीन इस रिएक्शन को कैटालाइज करने के लिए पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रही. Proof that the peptidyl transferase is entirely composed of RNA has come from the high resolution three-dimensional structure of the ribosome, which reveals that no amino acid is situated closer than 18 angstrom from the active site. तो इसकी जो एक्टिव साइट है इसके 18 एंगस्ट्रॉम तक डिस्टेंस तक कोई भी अमाइनो एसिड जो है वो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट नहीं है. Because catalysis requires distances in the range of 1 to 3 angstrom, it is clear that the peptidyl transferase center is a ribozyme. That is, it is an enzyme composed of RNA. How does the 23S rRNA catalyze peptide bond formation? Means, what is the mechanism of this catalysis? The exact mechanism remains to be determined, but some answers to this question are beginning to emerge. First, base pairing between the 23S rRNA and the CCA ends of the tRNAs in the A and the P sites help to position the alpha amino group of the aminosyl tRNA to attack the carbonyl group of the growing polypeptide attached to the peptidyl tRNA. These interactions are also likely to stabilize the aminosyl tRNA after accommodation. Because close proximity of substrates is rarely sufficient to generate high levels of catalysis, it is hypothesized that other elements of the ribosomal RNA change the chemical environment of the peptidyl transferase active site. तो सबस्ट्रेट्स का क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी में होना सफिशेंट नहीं है कि कैटालाइसिस हो सके. तो इसका मतलब है कि कुछ और फैक्टर्स हैं आरएनए के, राइबोसोमल आरएनए के, जो इस केमिकल एनवायरनमेंट को चेंज करते हैं and this change leads to the catalysis. For example, it has been proposed that nucleotides in the peptidyl transferase center accept a hydrogen from the alpha amino group of the aminosyl tRNA, making the associated nitrogen a strong nucleophile. तो इस तरह से ये जो है एक नाइट्रोजन जो है इसको न्यूक्लियोफाइल बना दिया जाता है ताकि ये अब न्यूक्लियोफाइल जो है ये कार्बोक्सी टर्मिनल पे अटैक कर सके. दिस इज अ कॉमन मैकेनिज्म यूज्ड बाय मैनी प्रोटीन्स एंड एंजाइम्स टू स्टिमुलेट न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक ऑफ कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप्स.